We're starting with these impressive truck inventions, and the results are sure to surprise you. Have you ever wondered how a centaur wears pants? If that question sparks your ingenuity and creativity, you need to meet Loadit. This company is revolutionizing the way we move and transport boats with a line of innovative loaders. If you need to lift your black pearl out of the water and place it on a special rack, Loadit has the perfect solution. For kayak owners, they offer a side-loading lift that can be installed on RVs, ideal for on-the-go adventurers. And if you want to keep your pickup bed clear, the front loader is the right choice. There is also a special model for off-road vehicles, equipped with a winch that can lift up to 1,134 kilograms. For boats, Loadit offers basic lifts that support boats up to 5 meters and 181 kilograms. Starting at around $3,400, these innovative systems can be customized to meet your specific needs. Loadit makes moving and transporting your boat easier and more versatile, ensuring efficiency and care for any type of vessel. Let's talk about something that changes the way we travel and enjoy the comforts of home. Space Campers has made this vision a reality with a solution that perfectly fits the unique Cybertruck. This innovative design combines the versatility of camping with the advanced technology of Tesla. The Space Camper features a pneumatic lift connected to the vehicle's compressor, while the stove and refrigerator are powered by the Cybertruck's battery. The interior is designed to comfortably accommodate 2 people. In addition, the Murphy bed offers impressive flexibility. With the bed stowed, the available space measures 2.1 by 1.2 meters. This extra space can be converted into a loft-style kitchen or a mobile office equipped with 4 110-volt outlets and the USB-A and USB-C ports. With a pre-order price of $224, the Space Camper offers a unique and modern camping experience, perfect for tech enthusiasts and adventurers. Its design not only maximizes space and functionality, but also seamlessly integrates with the innovative style of the Tesla Cybertruck. When it comes to transporting large loads, the Truck Glide retractable platform is the ultimate solution. Available in 5 lengths from 1.5 to 2.3 meters, these platforms are designed to carry up to 680 kilograms. In tests, the Truck Glide has handled nearly a ton without showing any signs of weakness, underscoring the impressive quality of its construction. The versatility of the Truck Glide makes it an indispensable tool for a variety of activities. Whether you're fishing, camping, or even practicing prone shooting, this platform ensures you'll never get bored. Its design allows for easy access to the back of your vehicle, eliminating the hassle of climbing to reach your gear. Plus, the manufacturers offer an additional box system to maximize storage and keep everything organized. With Truck Glide, you get not only a rugged and reliable platform, but also a practical and versatile solution to your hauling needs. With over 6 million pickup trucks sold worldwide last year, it's clear that these vehicles are essential to a variety of work applications. For those looking to increase the functionality of their truck, the Pierce Dump Bed Kit is the perfect solution. Priced at $1,700, this innovative kit transforms your truck into a highly efficient dump truck. It allows you to raise the bed to a 45-degree angle in just 10 seconds, making it easy to quickly dump materials such as dirt, gravel, or debris. This efficient process saves time and reduces the physical effort required to handle heavy loads. Capable of handling up to 2 tons, the Pierce Dump Bed Kit provides the ruggedness needed for demanding jobs without compromising the durability of your vehicle. While increasing load capacity, the kit's design maintains the truck's original look, preserving its aesthetics while increasing versatility. Easy to install and compatible with the truck's existing structure, the Pierce Dump Bed Kit is a practical option for those seeking an efficient dump truck for occasional or frequent work without sacrificing style or functionality. This upgrade makes your truck an even more powerful and versatile tool. The Vever water tank bladder is the ideal solution for those who need a portable and reliable water storage system. With a capacity of 329 liters, this container is available for only $62 and offers an economical and effective option for storing drinking water or collecting rainwater. It's important to note that this tank is not designed for fuel storage. Constructed of 1.2 millimeter thick PVC, the Vever water tank bladder is built to withstand the elements. The material is sunlight resistant, odorless, and resistant to wear and corrosion, ensuring long life. When empty, the bladder weighs only 4 kilograms, making it easy to store in a backpack or large suitcase for convenient transport and storage. In addition, the Vever water tank bladder is designed for ease of use in a variety of situations. It features corner rings for secure attachment and an easy-to-close tap for convenient access to the water everyone wants. The Transformer Chase Truck is redefining the work truck and is making a splash at the prestigious SEMA show as the centerpiece of the Ford booth. The result of a collaboration between Ford, Boxo USA, and DeBerti Design, this truck is a masterpiece of engineering. Boxo USA, known for its tool storage solutions, and DeBerti Design, experts in customization, have transformed the Transformer Chase Truck into a mobile workshop. Lift up the fenders and you'll find a compartment full of tools. Remove the rear bumper to access the integrated welder. This integration turns the truck into a mobile office, ready for any challenge in the field. When it comes to performance, the Transformer Chase Truck does not disappoint. Equipped with a 6.7-liter 900 horsepower V8 diesel engine, it offers exceptional power for any job. With 4-wheel drive, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and 37-inch tires on 17-inch wheels, it provides a smooth and controlled ride over varied terrain. With its advanced features, impressive performance, and innovative design, the Transformer Chase Truck sets a new standard for utility vehicles. If you've ever wondered how to improve your vehicle's stability and safety while towing, the Ready Air Load Leveling Air Suspension Kit is the solution. This advanced air suspension kit is designed to level the vehicle when hitched to a trailer, reducing sway and tire wear while providing a safer and more comfortable ride. The kit includes 2 air springs with a maximum pressure of 10 atmospheres that work together to balance the load and keep the vehicle level. This not only improves handling control, but also extends tire life by minimizing uneven wear. A video highlights a version of the kit adapted for the Ford F-150, specifically designed to integrate with that model's factory leaf spring suspension. This demonstration highlights the versatility of the Ready Air Load Leveling Air Suspension Kit, showing how it can significantly improve stability and safety in a variety of towing situations. Priced at $500, this is a deal too good to pass up. Black Sheep Car Storage stands out in the marketplace for its unique approach and commitment to quality. Based in Switzerland, this company deviates from conventional solutions and offers an exceptional level of customization and creativity. Black Sheep Car Storage not only ensures excellence in its projects, but also stands out for its ability to design and manufacture exclusive solutions at the highest level. A notable example of their ingenuity is the custom taillights, which combine aesthetics and safety with surprisingly useful hidden spaces. Behind these lights, there is ample room for a minibar or a secret compartment for weapons, all designed and manufactured within legal limits. This creativity extends to the rear door, which Black Sheep transformed into a full kitchen, showcasing their ability to transform functional elements into innovative design solutions. In addition to their impressive customizations, Black Sheep offers interior design services and sells pre-made custom items, such as a spare tire cover that hides a compressor. With Black Sheep Car Storage, you get more than just storage. You get creativity and exclusivity in every detail, raising the standard in car storage. Known for their focus on manufacturing parts and accessories for trucks and SUVs, Addictive Desert Designs combines simple design with exceptional durability. One of their standout products is the spare tire carrier, a component that, while seemingly simple, is designed to provide outstanding durability and functionality. At $650, this spare tire carrier is a significant investment, but its quality and versatility justify the cost. Designed to accommodate tires from 840 to 1000 mm in diameter and up to 360 mm in width, this carrier fits a wide range of tire sizes. The sturdy construction ensures that even the largest tires remain secure during transport. The Addictive Desert Designs tire carrier is equipped with front and rear slots for a Y-strap, ensuring that your spare tire stays firmly in place. Additionally, if you need to carry multiple spare tires, the design allows you to mount the carriers side by side, maximizing space and efficiency. Who wouldn't want one? We're talking about the awesome truck and hot tub limousine, a bold fusion of luxury and functionality that redefines mobile relaxation, designed for maximum comfort and fun. This unique limo has everything you need to unwind after a busy day. Equipped with LED lights, a high-quality sound system, televisions, and 3 bars with built-in refrigerators, the awesome truck and hot tub limousine turns any trip into a luxurious experience. Its leather seats provide the ultimate in comfort, and the hot tub in the truck bed adds an extra touch of pampering. With seating for 14, it's perfect for events and celebrations. However, due to its size, some guests may have to wait to enjoy the hot tub. Its innovative design makes it the perfect star for movies like The Lincoln Lawyer or shows like Jackass, where fun and amazement are guaranteed. The creator claims it's the first of its kind in the world, and it's easy to see why. If you want more, check out the rest of our videos. Have a great day.